Jai Gurudev everybody, and a very happy Teachers Day to all of you. And I mean it when I say all of you, because everyone is a teacher. Every single person on this planet is a teacher. You're wondering, how can everybody be a teacher, right? Well, I believe that there are basically two types of people. The first, who inspire you and teach you to become a better version of you. And the second, who show you exactly how not to be. Both these types of people teach you so much, isn't it? So yes, a very happy Teachers Day to everybody. Now, what makes a great art of living teacher? This is a question I get asked again and again and again and again and again. And the answer is so simple and so obvious. Sometimes I wonder why people even ask the question. Right? An art of living teacher is a person who brings spirituality into other people's life, who whispers infinity into the ears of their students. Right? And so they need to walk the talk, they need to imbibe that knowledge that they teach. And once, long time back, I had gone to Gurudev and said, Gurudev, I don't think I can teach our course anymore. He said, what happened? I said, Gurudev, we say accept people as they are, but I know I don't. I said, I cannot do it. I know I don't. There are people in my life who I don't accept, and by the way, they are still there, some of them. And I'll tell you how to deal with them in a bit. And he looked at me and laughed and he said, no, don't worry about that, he said. He said, see, people are at this stage in their life and you are at this stage in your life. And your job as a teacher is to bring these people up till where you can. And after that, he said, I will take over, don't worry. So, when we talk about accept people as they are, when we say don't be football of others' opinions, when we say opposite values are complementary, not only are we teaching, we are learning as well. Right? And if this ghanti rings in our head when confronted with a situation, and we still end up screwing up, it's okay. But as long as it rings, we know that we are moving in the right direction. For most of us, it started ringing after the situation. Something happened and you go, oh God, I should have accepted people as they are. Right? But over time you will realize that the ghanti rings during the situation and you think, while you are saying whatever you are saying, you think, I should have just accepted. But soon there will come a time when it will ring before you react, and then you will not react and you will respond, and you will be that much closer to where Gurudev wants us all to be. So teaching this knowledge is basically a revision of how we should be, what is the best version that we can be. And if you just do your best to be that, you're sorted. Right? I mean, I've heard Gurudev say this so often. How would you like other people to behave with you? That same way you behave with others. In the Bible also it says, no, as you sow, so shall you reap. You put mango, you are going to get mango. You put brambles, that was those thorny things, you are going to get those thorny things. Right? So, how do we improve our courses? How do we get more people to the courses? How do we nurture volunteer teams? Be yourself. Be the best yourself that you can possibly be. And that is always enough. So when I say that I am the best me that I can be right now, it doesn't mean that I am the best me that I can ever be. And you need to get that as well. See, a seed is perfect. It is the best it can be, but when a seed sprouts, even then it is perfect. And when that little sprout grows a little bit and becomes a little sapling kind of a thing, that is also perfect. And when it grows into a little bush, that is also perfect. When it grows into a full, big, huge tree, that is also perfect. And so we move from perfection to perfection to perfection to perfection. And that's what our job is as teachers of the art of living. Move people from one level of perfection, totally accepting them as they are over there and saying, okay, now let's move on. We move from perfection to perfection. Yes? Keep that in your mind. That whoever is in front of you is perfect. They are the best that they can be at that moment. And then let's see how we can make that even better. Okay? And I told you, I will tell you how I deal with people I don't accept or who are a pain, and you know what I'm talking about. There are quite a few. Right? I think Gurudev puts them there just for us to practice accept people as they are. You know what I wish for? I wish that they are enlightened. All my blessings to these people to become enlightened, because once they are enlightened, once they have got mukti, not only will they not bother me in this life, they will not bother me in any other life as well. Right? So that's what you wish for all the people who bother you. Enlightenment. Unko mukti ho jaye. Right? Okay? Great. So think again and again, am I the best that I can be? And what can I do to go from here to another level of perfection? And I'm telling you, as you continue on your journey, your students and the others who are going to become your students, they will also move with you. Okay? Jai Gurudev. Happy, happy, happy Teachers' Day.